Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going to have a look at the Portable Kitchen 360. So this grill is the flagship of the Portable Kitchen, otherwise known as Pk360. It's a great decent sized grill and it feels very solid and rugged. This outer shell is made out of cast aluminium, which is very light, but it keeps the heat in nice and even and cooks great. Been looking at them over in the States for a long time, and they've just arrived in the UK through Pro Smoke Barbecue, who sent me this one to test, and I'm looking forward to showing you some of the features of it. Big, decent size shell. That's great. It's got some tables here on the side which look pretty solid, and there's bits you can hang stuff off there. That's great. So it really is a portable kitchen. You can do lots of prep on the sides here, and I'd have like a raw meat side and then a cooked meat side to keep things separate, but you can run this how you like. The cast shell is sat on a solid base here, got wheels on so you can roll it around. You know, this is a big grill, so it's not the most portable. It's ideal for around the home and definitely a lot of cooking area. Vents on the top here, so you can control heat and control where your heat goes, which is really important. It's got a nice smooth surface, so it's going to be easy to keep clean, I think. There's a tell true thermometer here, and that's just about as accurate as you can get for an analog thermometer. So let's have a look on the inside. And it's got the cast aluminium hinges, so there's no other metal to go wrong at the back there. Feels nice and solid and sturdy. Okay, going on the inside, you've got nice heavyweight grills here with a bit you can lift up there. So let's lift those out. Again, you've got a nice sturdy stainless charcoal grate at the bottom here. Going right down into the belly of the grill, you've got a little plug here so you can remove any fat or ash from the bottom quite easily, and there's a cover here just to keep any grease from getting inside these vents at the bottom. I think these vents at the bottom here, you can control the heat by opening and closing, and that just allows air to get in and heat, so you can have one side direct and the other indirect, so you can set up your zone cooking and have a good heat flow through with the vent on the opposite side open, or you can have all the vents open and really get some super hot searing steak temperatures, which is one of the things this grill is known for. Really popular over in the States, and that's coming over to here in the UK as well. I'm looking forward to cooking on this grill. Very exciting, and I'm sure I'm going to be able to cook some great food on it. But this is just a first look and a quick run through of some of the features of the grill. If you've got any thoughts on this grill, do you want to get one yourself, then let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Any features you want to know more about, then just ask me. I hope you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. That box over there, hit it, subscribe, like and comment, and let me know you like what I'm doing here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. Take care.